Hi, I'm Sarah Moran with Equity Title Biltmore Office, and I am just going to talk briefly about the new ARMLS tax system, which is called Realist, that is replacing IMAP. There are some things that you will want to notice about this new system. First of all, when you are in ARMLS and a property is selected and you're on the Detail tab, you can click on Tax Info, and what you will get is a static page of the tax information. It will include owner information, location, tax, assessment and tax, characteristics, listing information, market sale and sale history, mortgage history, and if this is a distressed property, it would have foreclosure information here at the bottom. Now, to be able to access any of the information like previous documents and that kind of information that you would usually get from the tax system, you actually need to go here to Launch Realist. When you click Launch Realist, if this is your first time, you'll actually have to accept the terms. But if you have already logged in, this is the screen that you will see. Your property is highlighted on the map, and the information about the property is here in the grid. Now, to see the report on this property, you can either click View Reports or you can double click on the property in the grid. This will bring up the complete report for the property, including property detail, comparables, market trends, neighbors, neighborhood profile, and an assessor map. Again, if this was a distressed property, there would also be a foreclosure tab that would give you additional information. Since we are on the property detail tab, what you see here as we scroll down is that there are now live links. So if you wanted to go to the tax site, you could simply click on the APN number. Same for the county treasurer. As you scroll down, you can see that you can also be taken back to the MLS, or you can see previous documents. In this version, you also have an additional feature of the property map. Other tabs on this, like I said, were the comparables, which is going to bring up the closest 20 comps. You also have market trends that will give you graphs and charts. And then you have neighbors and neighborhood profile. All of this information can be printed simply by clicking the Print and Customize button, and you can choose which charts and sections you want to print and simply click OK. This was a very quick tutorial on some of the features in the new system. Please do remember that this system is not replacing ARMLS, it is only replacing IMAP. This system is made to incorporate MLS and tax data into one area, so that is when you would want to use that report. Again, I'm Sarah Moran with Equity Title Biltmore Office. I am a certified ARMLS trainer, but I actually work for Equity Title Biltmore Office. As you can see here, there are many marketing materials that I can help you with, in addition to my 3 wonderful escrow officers, Kathy Stewart, Dawn Robinson, and Stephanie Ritter, who are here to help you close your escrows. Thanks, and I hope we can work with you soon.